Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now let me teach you how to use CapCut Pro for free. Now go to your Play Store, then in the search bar click on, then search for CapCut. Yeah, this is it. Just wait, let it load. I already downloaded it, so let me go and open it from my phone now. This is the app. You go in. Every fixture on this editing app, they are all free. Every features on this app, on this editing app, it's almost the same thing on CapCut, but in this place everything they are free. Let me edit one video for you now. If you want to upload, be sure you click on this place, then you go down, you pick one video that you want to edit. Let me pick this one. Let me pick this. Let's say I want to edit this video now. Then I want to use green screen. To subscribe. This is how to upload green screen. You overlay it, then you look for the green screen. This is my green screen for YouTube. You pick it, then you go down, then you scroll left, use for chroma option. You click on it, then you over it on it. You over it. After, then you come down and increase the strength so that the green color will vanish, just like that. So let's play it.
You know, because I don't get keep, I'm going
color
to tell you
vanish.
this for free.
So
Yes.
then you save it. So let me go and resize it. This is where you will resize. This is where you will resize the ratio. This is the ratio. Let's use this. No. Resize it. Increase it. Use your hand to increase it. This is it. So that is it. Then you mark it. You can change the position. Of this your subscription button. You can change the position. You can put it down or you put it up. So every feature. So this is it. Let's say I cut it. You click on it, then you cut it. Then I want to input animation on it. You click on it, then you animate it. All these features, they are paid features on CapCut, but they are free on this app. They are 100% free. They are 100% free on this app. So you can use this one. So I want to animate this. So then let me use transition also. All these features, they are paid. See the awesome transition.
Because I don't gatekeep, I'm going to tell you this for free.
So
Yes.
you can see.
I just discovered a new way now you can use
I
Grok.
see it. So I want to change the animation to another one. Let me change the animation to another one. As you can see now, all the features that are paid on CapCut Pro, they are all free in this place. They are all free. They are 100% free. So you can use it in your editing.
Because I don't gatekeep, I'm going to tell
when you are
this
done,
for free. Yes. I just discovered a new way now you can use
click
Grok.
this and your video download free. Download free. So that is how you can easily get CapCut Pro from this app. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. As you can see, the downloading is very fast. It's very, very fast. You can see, already downloaded.